Hey guys, just another test for Blender 4.4. This is quite interesting. I'm going to make two inlays on one tooth. So stick around if you want to have a look. Very, very interesting. And it's a lot of fun too. So here, have a look. We've got this happening over here. This has been quite a challenge for us to get this correct. So what I'm going to do is go to the model designer. And in the model designer, we've got something called the patchup tool. This is unbelievable stuff because, as you'll see exactly what I mean by that, if I go Shift D, look how it behaves. It's like hot wax. Actually, I've called it hot wax. So this is truly remarkable stuff. So here I'm just going to, all I'm doing is using Shift D, and then I can just duplicate it along the line and just add, just like a wax knife in the dental laboratory. Absolutely super cool. Okay, so now I'm going to go Shift D and put it into this cavity. So it could be like a blob of composite or something. So it's quite good. Very handy to have this material. Okay, so now I've sort of flooded it. Doesn't matter, that's all good. And here we've got another button, keep. We had fill, carve, and this is keep. And the keep is because we'd like to use it for our inlays. So I'll just delete the color for now. Okay, so I'm going to go to it's a little bit bulky here, so you can sculpt it down if you want to. Yeah, just sculpt it down. The sculpting tools in Blender 4.4 are incredible because they're all at the bottom here, and that makes a big difference because we can just simply grab what we want to. Like here, for example, I'm going to use a blob tool, and I'll go to negative, and then I can just unblob it, dab it like this. Absolutely fantastic. That's absolutely cool. Exit. So, of course, if we wanted to even make fissures or something in that, there's super cool like crease tools. We can just put the radius down, and then the pinch, we can just crease it. It's just unbelievable. Let's just draw a line like this. Okay, I'm not so good at digital carving, but I think I'll just make 2 lines. Okay, now this is super cool. I'm just going to go out of exit into the crown module. So this is where the action happens. So this is my working model. This is going to my tooth, like a tooth library, to throw it in there. And then we're going to make our margin. So we're just going to click draw margin, and I'm going to click on the extrude key and then just dab it all the way around my margin like this. Okay, when I get to the end, I click on Fuse and then Create Surface, which is going to be the inside surface. I'll just delete the opposite for now because this is just about the inlays. Okay, so here we're going to draw again. Super quick. Just extrude it along the line like that. Okay, fuse it and then create a surface. Good. Now these surfaces need to be surveyed because sometimes it could be undercuts. This is always, the procedure is always the same. We're going to just take this and look from the above and then block that out. Cool. And then after that, we're going to give it a support margin. Now this is also new because here we can select the margin that we want from 0 margin to a little bit more. I'm going to create 0.1, and you'll see the margin is coming out now. Out of it actually gets wrapped along like this. Okay, this is an important feature. It's not just a scaling of a margin. So let's just add 0.1 over here, and then we're going to go auto spacer and zone, and then after that we can finish it. So watch, we'll just go to the end here. So we're going to view the tooth. I'll just go into edit mode just to see where this is all at. I think this actually looks quite good. Okay, I'll probably leave the rest, and then we're going to just generate up a crown. Excellent, here we go, it's finished. I could have made that margin smaller, 0.05 or 0 even. Of course here it's been smoothed a little bit, but you can just, if you wanted to make new lines or carve or whatever, you can do that as well. So I want to just have a look at the mesh structure as well. Edit mode. So we can see it's just absolutely pristine. This is where the die spacer was. Excellent. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy it. 4.4 coming soon. Cheers.